And hire an attorney immediately. Take as many photographs if you're able to. Witness statements are huge, and these are usually colleagues of yours. So
Mm-hmm.
hiring an attorney to make sure that you're getting as many witness statements as possible. And then what your attorney should be doing is to frame the case. We call that framing, to schedule some sort of site visit with a construction expert so you can determine what the theory is of what caused this accident. So without doing that, it's very hard to build a case when you're dealing with a construction accident case.